Hey guys, welcome to our Google AdWords course. Whether you're a web designer, a marketer, or just a business owner, this course is dedicated to helping you build a simple but really effective Google AdWords campaign from scratch in no time without any prior knowledge whatsoever. Simply follow the steps in the course ahead and I'll show you how to do everything. Here are some results from existing clients of ours to show the drastic increase in their website traffic once we hooked up a Google AdWords campaign. In this course, you're going to learn how to create a Google AdWords campaign from scratch, configure all the settings, including the budget settings, how to do keyword research for the specific industry that you're looking for, how to create ad groups and handwritten ads that are the most compelling for the audience that you're targeting, as well as adding those keywords and all the other bells and whistles that you'll need to get a good quality score on Google and ensure that you have a successful Google AdWords campaign. As an added bonus for signing up for this course, we're going to give you our very own personal Google AdWords checklist that you can use every single time you build a Google AdWords campaign from now on. My name is Chris de Bruyn, creator and director of Seventh Season Creative. For years, we've been using the very method that I'm going to be teaching you in this course to build successful Google AdWords campaigns for our clients, bringing them more website traffic, sales, and ultimately profits. And they are more than happy to pay us to do it. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started.